Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. In today's episode I'm going to start work repairing the boot floor. I've already ordered the repair panel and that should be with me later today. So for now I'm going to start drilling out all of the spot welds that hold the rear of the boot in place. I don't want to start cutting yet because I don't know how far forward the repair panel is going to reach. To drill out this many spot welds, a good hand drill, some drill bits and some cutting fluid is essential. I've tried many different spot weld drill bits, but I find a standard HSS bit does the job perfectly.
Identifying each spot weld with a marker saves a little time during drilling and ensures none are missed. A 7.5mm drill bit works well. On pinch seams like the valance to boot floor, drilling straight through is the simplest and quickest method. The holes can be used for plug welds later. A cold chisel and mallet are used to persuade the seam apart. If there's a weld still holding on, a couple of good hits should separate it. With the valance seam free, it's time to drill out the remaining spot welds. I'm trying not to drill all the way through here, just the depth of the boot floor, because there's limited access to plug weld from the inside. To remove the boot corners, I grind down the pinch seam between the corner panel and the boot floor. Once this is gone and all the spot welds are drilled out, the panel can be chiselled off. The new boot floor arrived, which means I'm able to safely start cutting out the old floor, leaving plenty of overlap at this stage. Chiselling away the remaining floor takes some time and a great deal of patience. It's not a job to be done in a hurry. I could use a grinder or a flat wheel to speed things up, but I'd rather not risk damaging any of the remaining flanges.
With this car, I'm going to have to replace more than just the panel I set out to. As well as the boot floor, I'm replacing the rear boot corners and the lower rear quarter of this wing. I'm also going to have to repair the rear valance and the inner arch. With so many panels to replace in one area, I'm going to start from the innermost panels and work my way outwards. But while all these panels are off and access is so good, it makes sense to look at smoothing over the rear end of the car to complete the bumper removal. But for now, if you'd like any more info on this project or any of my others, please check out my Facebook and Instagram accounts on the links below. Thanks for watching.